watching the male and female bush turkeys from over near my place, and they just disappeared for the moment. But